Alright guys, welcome to another unboxing. Let's see what we got today. Let's see if it's one of the easy ones or one of the hard ones to open. What? Man, I thought this was going to be easy. I thought it was going to be easy. A lot of extra stuff in the stuff. What is this? Oh, there we go. There we go. It's one of those cables that I've needed for a while, so we'll see if we can mess around with networking and get something good out of this. What this is what do you call these things? A DSL green cable for cool. Yeah. Anyway, hopefully it'll be useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Work. Likey.